Happening today, your time is 6:35. Cal OSHA will discuss making some regulations which protect workers from COVID-19 permanently. The current COVID-19 workplace regulations are temporary. The agency will hear from a committee made up of businesses and industry leaders, labor and community groups, public agencies, and health experts. And one thing up for consideration is a requirement that employers provide testing to employees with close contact, vaccinated or not. Also this morning, the ABC 10 vaccine team is here to keep you up to date on those COVID-19 vaccines. Today, the CDC is expected to discuss recommendations about a third Pfizer vaccine dose. It comes after the FDA authorized a booster for people 65 and older and other at-risk groups. ABC's Ike Ajachi is in Washington with the latest. Good morning, Ike.
Good morning, Bria. Health experts feel Pfizer's booster shot means more protection for the most vulnerable.
This morning, the Food and Drug Administration authorizing Pfizer's booster shot for seniors and high-risk American adults. Though the CDC will likely come out with specific guidance this week, FDA Acting Commissioner Janet Woodcock giving an example of who the agency has in mind for the shot. When it comes to high risk, the list includes healthcare workers, teachers, child daycare staff, grocery workers, and people in homeless shelters, among others. Americans who received Moderna or Johnson & Johnson's COVID vaccine will also have to wait a few more weeks for approval from the federal government. Dr. Fauci hypothesizing what he believes to be the inevitable.
I believe the correct regimen is going to be 2 doses at first and a few months later, a third dose. For J&J, it'll be the first dose followed a few months later by the second dose.
Still, the shots are working. Our medical team has found that states with the lowest vaccination levels have death rates nearly 4 times higher than in states leading the country in vaccinations.
CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky is expected to lay out the full guidelines for Pfizer's booster shot by the end of the week. Bria?
Ike, thank you. And the talks today at the CDC could pave the way for a third dose to be administered as early as tomorrow.